guys, this is part 2 of opening MetaZoo cards, and my boyfriend's here opening Yu-Gi-Oh cards. So if you're watching this video, I don't know, I'm hoping that you watched my first video. If not, whatever. The order doesn't really matter. You can go back and watch it, whatever. But this is a pretty big box to be unboxing today. And my boyfriend decided he's gonna do a grand reveal of all of his worthwhile cards at the end of this video. So if you are into Yu-Gi-Oh, he'll be doing that when I'm like still going through my huge box here. So let's get started. Oh my god! I'm so excited. And then you gonna show off yours? No, it's okay. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go and get right into this here. I know that last video I was organizing the packs by the outside of the package, which was kind of silly. And usually I do, and I would do that. But this is really big, so I'm not gonna waste the time and try and do that right now. I'm just gonna get right into it and just get down to the bottom of the box. So, let's get into it. Scissors, please. I'm gonna have like a huge garbage pile building up here. Okay. Sorry, I get excited before I can show you guys. That's not fair.
What did you get? What is it?
It is Brown Mountain Lights. It's just cute little wispy guys. And they're shiny, they're hollow, so that's what counts, right? Okay, first pack of many finally done with. Why is this not focusing? What the heck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we're back and hopefully not gonna have any issues. My phone's being stupid. Let's get back to it. Next pack. Ooh. This one's just like really colorful. It really caught my attention. Hello. Oh, my posture is like so bad right now. It's actually killing me. Ugh. Oh, carried away here. Yeah, I know, I should just be throwing it on the floor. We're running out of table space. Hollow mince pie Martian. Well, that was a freaky card to start with. What the hell? Oh, what the hell is going on here? This feels like a cursed pack. Oh, that one's so cute. What the heck? Wait. Look at this little guy. Oh my god. This one's a really pretty card. Ooh. I just love the art on all of these. Like, they're just gorgeous cards in general. Honestly, I'm so obsessed. The hollow ones are obviously my favorite, but even the regular ones are just so pretty. I don't know if you guys can hear my cats, like, I don't know what they're doing in the background. Destroying the place.
Oh my god.
I actually don't know what they're doing. Okay, I'm throwing my garbage on the ground at this point. It's happening. I already have 2 of these guys in shiny in my collection already, if you watched that video. And also, this is me, if you know anything about me, if you've watched my other videos. I never leave my apartment. I am a hermit, for sure, for sure. And a hollow. Some of the cards are so weird too. Like, what the heck is this?
What is
This
that?
card caught my eye before, but it wasn't shiny, and now I've got a shiny one. So, someone please tell me if that one's good or not. I don't know, just because it's really catching my eye. I don't know what it is. Oops. Well, she's pretty sick. Oh my god.
What is that?
Oh, focus. Black Eggy Hollow? I don't know. I'm gonna assume that one's good, so. This guy's really sick looking. I don't know. Well, and also this guy. Oh my god, what?
Is this the double?
No, the first guy wasn't, but that guy is. Right? I know he doesn't look too good, but like he just looks cool. I don't know. The art's just cool. Oh my gosh, throwing it. Oh wait, it's this guy. It's the guy on the package. Okay. I don't know why this is like exhausting. It's like fun, but for some reason I'm like, oh. I don't want this mixed in with my garbage here. Oh. That just scared the hell out of me. Okay, now what the hell is this?
Ice worm.
That seems like something that would be in Canada. I feel like I'd stumble upon that cryptid. Okay, guys, the Sackabilly that I was making fun of before. Shiny. Nothing good. Oh. You never have good luck, but that's just what you think. Because you never know, the cards could be good in the future, right? Can you throw that garbage on the floor for me? I don't know who this guy is, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so now he's got to do his final research before he can show you guys.
No.
No.
That one's done as we were going.
Oh, it's done?
Yeah, that was done as we were going.
So you got nothing to show?
No, there it is. I was just looking at something first.
Oh, okay. Do what you gotta do.
Put something up just in case.
Okay. They're all like sliding away. Holla. My, like, mountains of cards are a little out of control here.
This one's gonna be really bad.
I know. We're not anywhere near halfway. Oh, now there's a cat in the background. That's kind of cute. Aw. Chibi Salem's witch? What? And it's shiny? That's amazing. Aw.
You with chibis.
The chibis are the greatest. I always get the chibi shinies. Okay, I already got that one in shiny, but I don't remember if it was the same or if it was different. I don't know if you guys remember. The same. Oh shit.
What?
More garbage on the floor. That's okay. I feel like these last two cards, I don't know if anyone actually cares about them. late to the party and not shiny. That's quite pretty. That's very pretty. Are you really not showing any of your cards, or what?
I'm waiting for, I just want you to be done. I don't wanna...
You want me to be all done, all my cards?
Yeah.
We can't do it both at the same time?
I just... don't wanna be in the way.
I mean, if I've got a shiny one, I'll be patient. I'll, you know, I've got a shiny one right now. Ah! Oh, that one's very pretty. That's not shiny or anything, but look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, if you want to show them, you can. I just feel like, I don't know, I'm gonna run out of stuff to talk about. And then it's gonna be boring. I mean, I know people are watching this video to see the cards being opened, but come on. There's a couple cards that I've gotten like a bajillion of already, but that's okay. That one's cool. Don't have a bajillion of those. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you get one of the hateful cards.
Oh. That's really cute. Aw. Oh, this little guy again. Now they can be friends.
Oh, the ice one's back.
The fucking ice worm, of course. Wow. I mean, I'm not actually complaining, but you know, this guy's kind of cute. So are those. What? Aw.
Halfway there.
Yeah, about halfway. That's pretty. elf guy.
Colorado Springs elf. Hey, this sounds great for you. Once per game, you may say, bring on the children to place up to 3 beasties with this name or that have chibi in their name.
Oh my god.
Chibi children.
Don't be dropping him in the garbage pile. Okay, okay.
Fucking weirdo. Bird lost baby.
My pile is literally about to slide off the table already. Yeah, please wrangle it. Oh my gosh. Oh shit! Okay guys, I promise this is the same card. I didn't edit this video at all, you know that. Look at that, what the heck?
What?
It's just funny.
What?
The Hag of Detroit. That's just so rude. That's it's just so ruthless. Oh, look at that though. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Are you trying to organize my cards?
Just
Stack them at least. Stack them with the whole other pile I have too from the first video. Not deer. Freaky. Too bad it's not shiny. A not shiny ice worm. Boo. But that's kind of cool to have shiny. Awesome. These guys, the fearsome critters, or... Oh, this is a beastie bug, but you know, like, the fearsome critters, like, weird, like, silly guys are so funny to me. That's pretty cool. Hello, focus. Shinies. Did I get that one in shiny before, or did I just like them? I don't remember. I think I got them in shiny, right?
I don't know. I think you just like them.
Someone else tell me the answer to that. Oh my god. That guy kind of scares me. What? I already had that. Oh my gosh. No, because I'm opening them on camera for everyone. Come on, where my shiny guys at? Oh, there he is. Another Sakabilly. Cute. Oh, that's like not working well. Whatever. Shiny, shiny. Getting through it. Count how many I've got left. You could at least actually take them out of the box for me, please. Yeah. Keep it in the box. Eat. Holy smokies. Alright, we're getting through it though. We're getting through it. I'm going fast. I'm trying. Hopefully not too fast. I don't know. I've never made a video like this before. I just got that one. What the heck? So many duplicates today. I'll have to go through at the end of unboxing all of this and see all of the shinies I got. Oh, you're gonna pass them to me. Fancy. Stepping this up here. Or if you want to cut them open, just do it on the camera. I just am making sure that they see. Another hag of Detroit. Poor girl. She's cute. She's so cute. I don't know what that is, but it's kind of cute too. What? Give me one of these ones last, please. Yeah. God, how many burning effigies can a girl have? Spongy cat. Oh my gosh. Another one of these ones. I hope we're doing good. I hope we're close here. Like, I was complaining about being exhausted before. Holy cow. Oh, I can't wait to see all of the shiny guys I got though and like organize all of these ones. That's kind of sick. That's cool. Come on. Oh! I don't think I can do this a single time without dropping cards everywhere. It is. It's very shiny. Oh, so close, so close. Come on, focus. There we go.
Ooh, I got the butterfly game.
Look at that! Oh, that's so pretty! Ah, I love that. I was needing a good holo guy.
Almost there.
Almost. 2 left?
Yep.
You got them sorted proper? Alright. I like that we have this as like an assembly line going here. Like, this is really intense. I like this next one. What? Martian bees? Shiny Martian bees? Alright. Oh, there we go. I had just gotten the opposite one of that one. Last one. Let's see. Hopefully something good. kind of cute. Decent one to end off on, right? And there we go. That was my massive MetaZoo haul today, pretty much. Here's that's my stack of shinies just from the one box, wherever it went. Where'd the box go? This box, all shinies. That's awesome. I'm definitely happy about that. Let's go through the shinies real quick, and you've got some good cards to show off, right? I'm gonna go through mine first. Okay? Okay. And then eventually, guys, I will end up doing another, like, updated my entire collection video or something like that, or my shiny collection video. And then we'll see that grow in the future, and it'll be super exciting for me mostly, but you guys, if you end up watching it grow and all that, you know, it can be kind of fun. Right now, I'm pretty happy. This is a really good amount of shiny cards, and like just the art on them, and even having a lot of ones that I've got the holo and reverse holo of. I love that. It's just so satisfying to have both. You know, I'm sure you can enjoy the cards if you're watching this video. There's a reason you're watching this video. And there's a reason I'm making this video, so. I'm trying to go fast to get through this at the end here, because, I mean, these are all cards you've already seen, but nice to show the final haul, right? Of all the impressive ones. And I know I say this all the time, but let me know if there's like some that are extra good or something, or extra catch your eye, because I really know nothing about this game or any of this. I just like the art, I like the cards, I like collecting them. So if I'm accidentally good, you gotta tell me. Your turn. let's talk Yu-Gi-Oh here. So I guess I'm showing the cards, and he also put them in their covers already, so it's kind of hard to see that they're hollow as much as mine, but I guess I'm showing them off, and I guess there's nothing to say about them, but these are what he said was impressive from his little haul. Come on. My camera has not wanted to focus this entire video, and I truly apologize for that, people, but hopefully it was good enough quality. I don't know. That's all those Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I know even less about Yu-Gi-Oh cards than I do about MetaZoo cards, so don't talk to me about those. Thanks for watching. That's it. That's all of our cards unboxed. I had a lot of fun. Maybe we'll do more videos like this more often. We'll see. Hopefully you guys liked it. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.